How to make anything sound hypnotic. The secret is in your state. You need to be relaxed and you need to speak from your abdomen. You know, when you're nervous or even excited, your throat may squeeze and you speak more high-pitched and you speak too fast. We don't want that. I'd like you to play with me right now. Straighten your back. Don't tense your body though. You want the chest to be open, shoulders open, but relaxed. And relax your abdomen. And now drop your attention into your abdomen. As soon as you bring your attention there, you'll start noticing pleasant and comforting and grounding warm sensation. We want that. And now say your name out loud from your abdomen, from this space of warmth and comfort. I am Guzalia. And another secret is to slow down and make longer pauses. The pauses need to be long enough to make you a bit uncomfortable. I'll show you how I greet my clients. Hello, it's so good to meet you. How can I help you today? You see, when people come for a hypnosis appointment, they expect to be hypnotized. They actually are, even before we get to hypnosis. I have to put myself into a relaxed state, and this energy transfers to them instantly. I only have to say a few words, and before long I can see their eyes become glassy, their body softens, breathing slows down, and I know that their mind is already in a very receptive state. And here's the thing, even if I won't make intentional hypnotic suggestions while I'm still having a conversation before the actual hypnosis session, if I hold my pauses long enough, their mind will fill in the needed meaning. Try it next time you have a conversation with somebody. You know how usually people will ask you, how are you today? What's going on? And they never leave you any space for you to actually answer. They just go on sharing their news. Instead of that, you ask, how are you today? And leave this window open. Don't say a word. Wait for them to actually stop and think about how they're feeling, how is their day going, and wait for them to give you a reply. You will be surprised how deeply bonding this simple moment can be.